Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Xiaomi Mi A2. So we all know that Xiaomi Mi A2 runs on the Android One platform. That means it is stock Android, and this will be getting the latest updates on a timely manner. So being a stock Android powered device, you don't have too many options or features included. It's a pretty basic UI, but still we'll try to get some basic tips and tricks you can try out on this device. So most of these tips and tricks are available in all the smartphones running on stock Android. So this is just not limited to the Xiaomi Mi A2, but if you are using Xiaomi Mi A2, you can just try out these features which will get the better out of your device. So let's get started. So first up, the notification toggles. So you can see that this device comes with all the notification toggles, and so here you can see the option to edit the toggle. So this is available in all the smartphones running stock Android and even customized UI. So just clicking this icon, you can customize the quick toggles. So you can just drag and rearrange the options. For example, if you want a hotspot, you can just drag and rearrange here, and if you just don't want an icon, you can just bring it to the bottom area, which means those will not be available. So once you're done, you can just go back and you can see that will be in action. So that's how you can edit the quick toggles. Now going to the swiping from the home screen, you can see that there is a home screen settings available. So here you can see that there is an option to rotate the home screen. So allow home screen rotation, that is when you rotate the phone in the home screen, this will also rotate. You can see that right now you can see that this is how you can rotate the home screen. So that option is available only if you select that. So now let's go to the settings panel. So here we have a few options. Then first is the battery option. So selecting battery, you can see the battery saver. Just select the battery saver. You can turn on the battery saver manually, or you can turn on automatically at 5% of battery or 15% of battery. So based on how your battery levels are, you can turn on the battery saver. Then going to the display. So here we have few options. One is night light. So here we have the night light option. So we have seen this option on a lot of smartphones. This helps in reading from the smartphone in night. So this will reduce the eye strain by adding a tint to your screen amber. This makes it easier to look into the screen and read in dim light, and that's the option. So you can just turn on, you can set the intensity. If you turn it on, you can just select the intensity of night light, and you can also schedule the night light option. Then there is adaptive brightness, optimized brightness level for available light. That's a pretty basic option. Then scrolling down, you can see the ambient display. So being a stock Android device, it has ambient display. That means whenever a new notification comes in, it wakes up the screen and shows the notification. But it will actually show you the notification even when your device is sleeping. So that's the ambient display. So new notification, wake the screen when you receive notification. So that's turned on, and you can get all the notifications on the display. Now going to the storage. So here we have the option of storage manager. So if you turn on the storage manager, what it does is it will remove old photos and videos. So if it is over 30 days, over 60 days, or over 90 days, you can select which all you want, and this will help free up the storage space. Storage manager removes backed up photos and videos from your device. So if you have selected Google Drive for backup, it will automatically delete the backed up photos from your device so that you don't run out of storage. So that's the storage manager. Now going to the security and location. So here we have the option of fingerprint scanner. So fingerprint scanner is pretty basic, but this device does not come with face unlock. So face unlock is missing, but there is an option called trusted face. So we'll just show you. So just go to the smart lock, enter your PIN. Now you can see that there is a trusted face places, on body detection, and trusted device. So there is trusted face as well. So once you enter your face here, so remove trusted. Right now we have enabled trusted face. You can just register your face with this device, and once the face is registered, what it does is it doesn't actually do a face unlock, but it unlocks the phone. So we'll just show you this. So we'll just demo the trusted face. So we can just see now when I turn on the display, it's just now not locked. It's asking the fingerprint scanner. So now what we'll do is we'll just demo this. So you can see that now you can see that this lock sign is unlocked. So that means the phone is now unlocked without the fingerprint scanner. So that's how it works. So we'll just demo it once again. So now you can see that it is unlocked, and I can access it. But this is not a face unlock. Actually face unlock actually gets you to the home screen. So that's the difference here. This is trusted face. So if you just want to try out something similar to face unlock, you can do this. So that's the option in security and location. Then going to system settings, we have one gesture included, that's jump to camera. To quickly open the camera, press the power button twice, works from any screen. So just pressing the power button twice, it will open the camera. So these are some of the options and features available in the Xiaomi Mi A2. This is pretty basic UI, the stock UI, so you don't have too many customization or tips and tricks, but these are some basic options you can try out. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.